talking now, Bill.
Attention, the Jersey Girl for Life. You've got mail. We got mail for the Jersey Girl for Life from one of our homegirls. We got some homegirl mail from Kimberly Rogers. I love the popsicles on there. Can't wait to open this, Kimberly.
Jesus talking now, Bill. I know you heard that. Take a second look and you gonna replay your...
Oh, and I wanted to show the back. I like that. Chill out. Oh, thank you so much, Kimberly Jones. This means the world to me. This is such a beautiful card. It actually goes with my background. And in here, guys, she says, just wanted to say hello and enjoy your summer. Love your channel. Love, Kimberly 2022. That is so special for someone to take the time out to send you a card just to say they love your channel. I will be putting this up in my office so that I can always look at it and just remind me to keep doing what I'm doing. Thank you. It means the world to me, especially at a time like this. You know, just dealing with Josh with his little knee and everything. But he did get good news. He's healing well. And the doctor is saying to let him go ahead and go back to school Monday. But I feel like this came to him as well. Thank you, Kimberly. I appreciate it. Hey, ladies. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to unbox with you. I wasn't going to unbox it because I felt like I was just going to go ahead blend it into my collection. But I said, why not? Let me share with you guys that I did grab the Nolita 15 in the rainbow collection. I have been going back and forth with it. I've had her now for 2 weeks, and I thought about it. Why not? Why not do an unboxing? I wasn't going to carry her because there was no room in my bag to, you know, to add her in. But she's such a beauty, and I said I'm probably going to add her into my my purple city tote, because I'm going to switch out all of the stuff I have for that one and use all of my rainbow pieces with it just for a different look. So I'm going to use the rest of this week and I'm trying to get it loose. They got this package so well that you can't just slide it off. I don't know. Coach, make sure you do not get these bags damaged. Now, what you do with it afterwards is on you, but before you get it, super duper cute. I did not use my ring light because I want you guys to get the true color in this. So she is adorbs. I absolutely love her. Love her, love her, love her. The red tab, the purple top, gold hardware. Everything is just super cute about her. And I'm going to pack her up, show you what will fit in her. And then I'm probably going to throw her into my purple city tote. Just because she's so cute, you know? I'm like, even though I have the purple Nolita, I just love, love, love this rainbow collection. I don't know how I'm going to get away with it much longer not being in it. Let me get the little problem guy out of there. Okay, and here's my information and price tag. I was blessed when I got her. I got her for like 51 bucks. So yeah, it was a blessing. So there you go. That's what she's looking like. And then we are going to pack her up with some items. I am going to choose to use this one, even though it looks like it's about half the size. But this is what I would carry my cards and stuff in, and my wallet and everything. That would be my wallet for in here. I don't recommend that if you're trying to fit a whole lot of stuff, but she is nice and flat. And then I would just put like some lippies and things of that nature in there. And then I am going to go ahead and jazz her up. If you were going out to the beach for the weekend or something and you just needed something to carry your cash and some wipes and stuff, this is cute for a beach look. This is the pineapple tag from the Dollar Tree. I think that's cute, popping the yellow out of here. A lot of people choose to pop out the other colors, but I don't know. For this, yellow does it for me. I feel like that color just looks so good when you pop it out. And I love that hint of pink there. So cute. That is so cute to me. So I wouldn't mind. That's a fun look if I was going to go on the beach and was chilling for a little bit. I wouldn't mind having that on there by itself. And again, this is a luggage tag. It's $1 and it's from the Dollar Tree. Okay. And I did get these hooks from Amazon. I use those on my totes. Anything I want to turn into a bag charm, I use these because I can adjust them. I could cut these balls, make them shorter, or let it just hang as long as it comes. And I did choose to get the gold, but you know, they have them in silver as well. All right, so that's look number 1. Here's look number 2. You can add this chain. I finally found something that would look great with this chain. See, the colors in this is playful enough to have these chains on here. I just love carrying it and letting that hang like that. It's kind of cute to me. Yeah, I like it. You could do it the other way around and hold it this way as well if you so choose, and tuck this one in. But I kind of like it like that. So, and of course you can add some pom-poms onto it, or cherries, things of that nature. If you want to just add a little more, you know, oomph to it. Let's see. Also keep in mind, you can make these, put smaller rings right here. You don't have to use the large ones. I just wanted the large ones, but you do not have to use the larger ones. You can use the smaller ones. But it'll also hang shorter if you get the smaller loops, you know. So tell me what you look 2, and this will be like 2.5, adding this on there. And let's go for a look number 3. Okay, the next look, you could put a gold chain on it. I tucked the leather strap and I added this blue pom-pom because it does have blue in there. So you could choose to pop that color out. And that's a little cutie. I like that a lot. So what is this, like look 3? And I normally only do 3 looks, but I am going to do another one for you guys, and then I will let you go. So let me undress her from this one, and let's take a look at it with a different strap. So this look, I wasn't going to show you guys because I don't like it, but I'll let you see it if you have it. The only reason I don't like it is because you can see the black contrast in this, and this bag doesn't really contain any black. So I would have gone for more of the natural strap for this one. So that's the only reason I'm not going to call this a look. But since I had it on there, I went on and let you guys see it. But yeah, I'm cool on this one. I would not choose this. Okay, let's try one more look, and then I am going to let you ladies go. Okay, lastly, guys, this look, I added the rainbow strap that came with my rainbow rowing, and I just threw this back on there for a fun look. And you do know this has the attachment for you to put something on there. So you can either put your purple coin pouch if you have that, or you can attach a pom-pom on it to pop out another color in the bag. Look at that. You can attach another color. That's cute. You know, if you're really trying to be very playful and really want a lot of color or whatever on there, you could also put a pink one on. I mean, not pink. The, what do you call that? You also could attach this onto this. I actually do have change in it, so it will make it a little weighty if you put some change in there. But I hate that it's silver because I have mostly gold on all of my stuff. But there you go. If you wanted to add that on there and rock it and then get some color. Only thing to me, the purple don't show enough to rock that on there. But everybody that knows Coach, they know that this came from summer collection, and you know, you don't have to wear uniform like everyone else does. But that's just another option. Just another option. All right, guys, I hope you like what I would do with my little Nolita. Always choose travel size items to put into your smallest bags, your lotion, things, whatever you need, just find the smallest version of it, your wipes, things of that nature, and don't overpack it and you'll enjoy it. You just cannot try to use it as a full-size purse, but they definitely can hold a lot if you pack the right size. And okay, hold on. I got a bonus clip for you. What about this? Adding your penny strap to this. I took this strap off of my Coach penny. Look at that blue. OMG. And I turned it into a little shoulder bag for a little date night, a quick latte. I like it. Look, and look at my full arms, and it goes on there so easily. Look at that. So that's an idea as well, ladies, if you want. And imagine your arms are even smaller. It'll give you a little more hang time, but it will still be a comfortable carry for me. I will just go. It's like I wouldn't have to worry about it moving because this is so thick right here that it just will be right there. You know what I'm saying? And it's cute. I just slide it down, grab my stuff out, and have a little cuteness going on. I have a rainbow little kiss charm if I want to throw something like that on there. But it's like the opportunities are endless. You could just do so much, you know? I'm fine without the charm because I don't want it to be getting too busy on me. But yeah, tell me what you think about it with the Coach penny strap. And then if you have another, I have a black one, but you know, that's not going to do anything for this. But this would at least bring out the blue. Or you could go ahead and bring back in your Coach, not Coach, but the blue little pom-pom. That way you'll have some blue in there to help pop all of this out. You ladies know you do not have to leave, but you got to get out of here. Be better to yourself tomorrow than you were today. It's never goodbye. I'll see y'all later.
Jesus talking now. I know you heard that. Take a second look and you gonna replay all of that. What you here for?